it is wise to be, when ignorance is good, it is folly to be wise.
Yes.
But ignorance is bliss, it is folly to be wise. This is this case. Better हम मरने के बाद हम कुत्ता बने गए कि हम सुनने की जरूरत नहीं, ये जाता है बात देखने, पहले जन्म में हम क्या था, पूर्व देश मत देखो. You can be nervous. What? I was a tiger. I was a mosquito. वो कर रहा करते हैं, ठीक है. और कोई सब है कुछ हम पता है ठीक नहीं है हम बोल रहे हैं.
मेरे प्रद्युम्न प्रभु आजकल जीएस करते हैं.
अच्छा
जो ये থাকে না.
हाँ अच्छा. अरे प्रद्युम्न.
They are Guru Maharaj disciple. This old our Pradyumna Vrindavan, Bombay.
अच्छा.
जो থাকে.
अच्छा.
ऐसे এখন মন্দিরে আছে. ওদের ঘুরেছে দেখা করতেছে.
हाँ.
দেখে
Maybe one point more. Anything?
हाँ.
Maharaj, एक क्वेश्चन है. मेरे सीनियर से कभी कभी मैं डिस्कस करता हूँ तो उन्होंने ऐसा बताया कि हम जब निष्ठा लेवल पे पहुँचते हैं, सो वट एवर एम वी हैव इन आवर माइंड, दैट वी बिकम फिक्स्ड एंड इट इज़ लाइक अ स्ट्रेट लाइन वी गो थ्रू आफ्टर निष्ठा, and then we do not waver our mind, we do not change our goal after Nishtha.
What is the goal?
So if we have goal of Vaidhi Marga and our goal will become Vaikuntha, but if we have Madhurya Bhav, then our goal will become Goloka.
So what do you want to say?
What is your question?
What is the question?
So my question is this concept correct, Maharaj? Because this creates a fear in me, because I feel that if I become so much rigid in rules and regulations.
Don't be rigid. It's not rigid. I am ना. हमको अंदर में जो है आ जाएगा. It is natural. Now you do Vaidhi Bhakti, and automatically every day come to Mangalarati, naturally you become attached to Mangalarati. One day miss Mangalarati, it is natural. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur said that if you do Vaidhi Bhakti, automatically without your knowledge you enter into Vaidhi Bhakti, Raganuga Bhakti. Raganuga means spontaneous affection. A boy or a girl, Prabhupada said, previously they are married early age. मान लो राजा राजेंद्र प्रसाद, he Gandhi, maybe his age is 9 and the girl is maybe 5 or 4, they are married. But they don't live together. The girls live with her father till they come up to some particular age, puberty or something, 14, 15. And Prabhupada also said like that. But his father, girl's father, invite that boy sometime, time to time. Like periodically, invite and ask his daughter, go and learn cooking from your mom and serve this boy. And thus, automatically they come. Just like a boy and girl, don't artificially do anything. Automatically they feel attraction. So this girl automatically develops some affection for him, and because he is serving, naturally this boy get captivated or win over by this girl's service. He is doing so much. Naturally he feels for her, and then when they are grown up enough, then they have again ceremonial marriage, so that the girl can go to leaving his father to her husband, and automatically there is love. But some country or their conception is different, they think it differently. This is what Prabhupada said. I am exactly telling you as it is. I don't say I mix anything. And now you think it's just not natural. I agree with you, you don't have to show it. I don't think so. Why go to Vaikuntha? If there is higher thing, who wants lower thing? If ice cream say ज़्यादा ice का cream है ज़्यादा नहीं, in the beginning, then cream वाला ज़्यादा cream, whip, कि मान दो कुल्फी इंडियन है तो क्यों हम पहले रिजिड होगा ना हम ये आइसक्रीम मिलेगी ना वाई वन Vaikuntha go to Krishna it will automatically come. This is I believe. No, I don't take that. I am not biased. This is my understanding.
Maharaj, and one more question I wanted to ask. How I can cultivate my sadhana, because now just I am reading Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj's books on Guru Tattva, and earlier I was also reading Sukhwa Mataji's books.
Which Mataji?
Sukhwa Mataji.
Which Sukhwa?
She is a disciple of Srila Prabhupada. She used to live in New Vrindavan. So she had gone through lots of turmoils in her life, and after that she wrote 2 books based on her difficulties in Krishna consciousness and based on feelings, emotions. So, Maharaj, is it okay if I hear her? I had already read her books, and that time it was very relieving to me, and it was giving shelter to me. But is it? She is Srila Prabhupada disciple, but I am clarifying whether I should take Shiksha, means her books, because I was attached to her, because through her books I got so much relieved. Earlier in my life, I was also going through some turmoils in my life.
Everybody goes through. Don't think others not going to care. It's bullshit. Am I right?
So much.
Everybody goes through so many turbulence, challenges. Yeah, tell.
So is it okay if I read her books, or I should just strictly be attached to Srila Prabhupada books? Because sometimes that understanding Srila Prabhupada books also, I have conception that it needs little groundwork, like Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj. When I understood Tattva, little bit understanding, then I relished Srila Prabhupada books even more. So is it like that with her books also? Can I read her books?
I did not read her books, so I cannot tell. But this also I know. If we read too many books, other than Prabhupada, completing Prabhupada's book, it is not very unlikely to be confused. And this sort of questioning come and impede your progress towards the goal. So in one sense it is good. In another sense, see from Prabhupada, and Prabhupada said, sure, you read my books, everything is there. That Gaur Govinda said, without even reading Prabhupada. So I also read. But Prabhupada said, this is anartha. Now in Prabhupada's book, anartha means these 4 things. These 4 things we are not supposed. But you read book, others, higher, then they will say, what Bhakti Vinod Thakur? Is it Bhakti Vinod Thakur or Prabhupada something wrong? No, depending on person, time, place, and circumstances, both are right. They can be harmonized in a sense, depending on which level you are, where you are, what your spiritual status. Make sense?
Yes, Maharaj.
Just as I say. So she is not wrong, I am saying. Neither I am saying she is right. And it can help. But if I see what Prabhupada said, so finish my book part, it will take your whole life. Again, with the help of others, everything is there. It's a matter of time. If the fan is running, you switch off, at once it doesn't stop. So somebody's bad habit previously there, it can again come. It's natural. Suddenly you may be carried out and do again, same thing. But gradually get it. This is what Prabhupada is saying. Prabhupada is not saying Bhakti Vinod Thakur is wrong. In one stage you can do, at once in a premature stage you are jumping into one thing. It may be too much. You are in a school level, you want to do calculus, computation, combination. It may be too much. You want to do, number. What is called? Integration. Imaginary number. These all higher mathematics I have, all the space, all this thing, all imaginary number, but it works. So they are doing, it may not be there, they can point out everything. It is 0 or 1, this, that. No. No, but it is working, formula of working. So but we cannot jump it. This step by step, unless you understand, to say have calculus, you cannot go have all this thing, d theta, epsilon is function of this. So বুঝতেই পারবে না কি মানে imaginary number. Excuse me. Make sense?
Yes, Maharaj.
Tell us, we don't like it. And I said, what Prabhupada said, everything. I know nothing but Prabhupada tell to us. I wish I can follow Guru Maharaj. I used to regularly go to his. I see him like the elder brother. And I read Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Prabhupada one day told me, first when I saw Prabhupada sitting, Prabhupada had got Bhaktivinoda and enough, you finish my book. I said, no. But no books like that. Don't read. Just read my book. Again. Everything is there. And then that's it. Quite a few times I said, I'm not saying it applies to you, but I think it may apply also. Now, choice is. If you are, suppose you want to eat so many night sweets, gulab jam, sandesh, all pop. And first of all, see how much you can chew. You cannot chew. You are simply swallowing. You won't digest it. Yeah, something like that. Information is not knowledge.
Yes.
I have not experienced without doing devotional service. I am not this, but I am spiritual. I am talking on the base of that big, Radha Rasa Sudhaniti. What is doing? They are Radha making garden and he is her earring, swinging. Yeah? And they are making sound, twinkling and something calling. She is the spiritual world, the hearing, everything is conscious. And they are trying to see Radharani is so great devotee. Complete a Mahabhav. Mahabhav, personification of Mahabhav. So, she is personification of Bhakti. That's why Radha asked Prabhupada, you tell about Krishna, you are not telling about Radharani's name, significant. Radharani, Anuradha. So, one who is Aradhana, doing manifestation, personification of Aradhana, is Radha. So this is very subtle. You cannot get into Radharani's mood, all these things. You first become Baba transcends, the body becomes. You still think, yes, oh man, yes, man. I have to become free from that. I'm talking about master degree, first class part. And everybody may be giving you clap. You don't know. You are standing on a false platform. Any moment would move and you go down. No. Bachao. Nobody. Drive. Follow some Mahajan, Prabhupada, Buddhist, strictly follow. And automatically everything will come in time. Untimely I want to test Alfonso mango. But it is not time. It's not ripe tree. No, okay. You put it by chemical. You don't find taste. It is not Alfonso. So, this will happen. Yes or no?
Yes.
Be natural. I'm saying I'm not this body. Saying that only reaction in tell. How much if somebody call you names? What? You say like that? You know who I am? You realize I am not this body. He is calling names to the body. And he is not. One who has realized, he won't get angry. He is madman. Let him see. He is ignorant. Little boy asked, Daddy, give me the $100 note, and he may put it in the fire. Then may give something false note. Or a paper, take this thing, it's as good as. He can tell lie just to cheat him. Because he is misusing. So father has to do. Huh? Mother may ask the child, I want, daddy, mummy are taking milk, I also want. Okay, bring that glass. He out together, they dilute it. This is your milk. Okay. Otherwise he take milk, he cannot digest. Other mother knows. Good for it. But he is maybe jaded, he is adamant, he is obstinate. Obstinate, na ki bolbo jaded. Jaded, jiddi, क्या बोला obstinate? Stubborn. Stubborn. तो stubborn, क्या करना है? He is not reasonable. Come to reason. So better do that. He is happy. You are happy. What his problem is solved. If terrorist come, this guy is there. He is our enemy. He know he is there, but you have to tell lie to save him. You know, if you tell him, no, we don't know anybody came here. You go. You say, oh, you are telling lies. No, you don't have to use it. You have to use your common sense. It serves your purpose. Done. For his good. Make sense? Okay.
So, Maharaj, I just want to let you know that I am done with searching and
Yeah.
so I wish to take your shelter, Maharaj. So you and if you can tell me, I can be continuing as you said, just continue the preaching. And those students were also wanting to come with me, but they had exam, that's why they could not come. But they will come on Monday. So to give it to you.
Monday means what day? Yeah.
30. Yes. 30. So, and in first years also 18 new students are coming regularly weekly. I would like to do service such that it pleases you. So you may tell me if how I can progress. There is another devotee with me from temple who both of us we are doing prachar there. It's a village setup, and from village we just go to that nearby college. And the students are also local because they are village background. They are.
You know my secretary. Can you assistant in what do you say that Nilkamal?
Yes.
You know Nilkamal Sanchez.
Yeah, then, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, Maharaj.
Roughly everything. I may not be able to tell. You ask some question from Madhurya Kadambini or this, that. And I am reading fast novel. I know, but I read it and just I don't know. But always, abruptly, this, that question may not be always said. Like frankly. But the way the book was asked me to sit in, I'm trying to sit in. Frankly, I don't say I'm expert in anything, I know the answer, everything. No. Whatever is my capacity or my inclination according to the last one, what I'm trying to do. Carry on. Of you. How can I distribute books? And you can be a salesman, man. I'm doing it sadhana. I told one boy, oh, so much you are not giving. Bhumad gave so much importance to it. Who was important, but first of all, these books are meant for you. You should know what is there. Important. You simply say, I know the technique. You next life, you will not do your sadhana well. Don't come to Mangal Arati. At the cost of not attending Mangal Arati, not doing your job early in the morning, any moment you will become victim of that. And that happened also. You think you are more than Prabhupada in intelligence? You get angry. I don't care. Now, you are a senior devotee, you are a big girl, namaskar. But not everybody is like that. The scientist, what is his name? Smita. Satapur. I used to talk to him. Often I used to talk. Very nice. Even Dr. Kremo, so humble. I said, what you are doing? Taking my luggage, I am a fool number one, I don't know, you are just big scientist, a nice preaching you are. No, Maharaj. And I am not Maharaj. I am trying. Tell the truth, I am trying to become sannyasi. They gave the seed. I admit, I have not control over all senses of mind. I am trying. Yes. Tell the truth. Be as you are. Don't pretend. I am not saying I am pretending. I am telling my case. Very honest. Yeah, I have passed so many nonsense I have done. I am not saying no. But from my childhood I am chanting Hare Krishna. No. From my grandmother, before go to school I like sadhu. I don't want to say all this thing. But somebody asked, I say, still the temples are there.
He was bringing you to Mongol art.
My grandmother used to take. But she has got many other grandsons, grandchildren. She didn't take the white in me. I don't want to say anything. There is a deep rooted. And naturally I like chanting, dancing is very nice. Spontaneous chanting.
Spontaneously. Yeah.
No, my mother said, well, I like it. You don't feel for us. Even mother leaving our body. He is so much attached with us. You are leaving us, telling me sadhu. You don't feel for us. That if I tell something truth, mother may get hurt. Mother, you are my mother. You know, I have got millions of mother before me. Father, she will get hurt. Huh? What is taking it that way? I am one of them. So I don't tell you. I tell mother, many things I can say. I'm not saying. But to do something practical, this Krishna conscious attachment. You remember, if you are attached to here, you have to come back. Other angle of this, you have to come back. You have to attach to Krishna and Krishna, thing related to Krishna. Then you go back to Krishna. Very simple. As much as you are away from Krishna, that much you are deeply absorbed in Maya. It is temporary, everything is temporary. Chopalo. It is here? No, he died. Now Bhakti Charu I couldn't think of. Jayapataka is surviving. So many difficult I see, so determined. Bhakti disciples also did so many things, I think. They are asked, I said, top doctor of America. No, Baba, আমার দরকার নেই, better stay in Maya. Oh, father asked me, take some Ayurvedic, this, that. That is what personally told me. Big doctor, Oti Sannasi, Sannasi Gajan, all top doctors, then whose decision will take? Even my father's case, my brother saying, we bought top doctor, two are completely divergent view about my father. And one of them said, your father is not good condition. It is just periodic. Your father is now feeling good, and time will come in the midnight or Brahma Muhurta, he may feel pain. Anything, what's happened? Please stay, one of you. There, I couldn't stay, so I saw my younger brother very near the nursing home where my father is, near there, my one maternal uncle's son house there. They say, stay here. At night, if they call you, you can at once go to see your father. He is a very condition, critical condition. Anyone, he may go. Father said to me, I'm okay. I said, Hare Krishna. Father, how are you feeling now? I said, okay. Then I asked doctor, see, father is okay now. But it's period that time. The time will come, at once he will find difficult to breathe in. Other doctor don't say. One doctor says, whatever he is vomiting is all blood. Another says, no, these are the medicine you put, the saying coming out. It's a completely different view.
Yes.
Who to believe? I heard both of them are prominent doctors. And Bhakti Charu has so many doctors in America. So there is a Bengali saying, Odik Sannasi Gajan Nasta. If too many big Gahan, then everything is spoiled. Better stick to something. Yes? Isn't it? Other different divergent view. You will be confused. I'm not saying anything wrong. I'm seeing one angle. Prabhupada strict. Being only Ayurvedic doctor, what I say, that's all. I don't know, I depend on Krishna. Doctor is not saving me. He is trying his method, but actually Krishna decides whether I will stay or not. So Prabhupada is chanting. Twice he has got stroke in the ship. in the boat. Third time in the again when arrived, landed. And you are asked, taken to the seaside, good for him, and phew, he's taken care of him. Doctor came. This old man, having in his hand one bat, what he is doing? Ask him to stop business, I am taking care of him. The disciple said, Sir, he is our guru, we cannot instruct him. He depends on God, he remembers God's name, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. He has complete faith in the holy name. Please, you do your business, let him do. Otherwise, we cannot help. We cannot help. Doctor to understand. And Prabhupada's complete faith. According to medical science, I heard, third time stroke, you have no hope. But Prabhupada came out success. Why? Krishna. Say, you're now triple MA, triple gold medal, you all have this. Scientists haven't. This BI scientist. Once he said, by prayer, this, that, and I'll be there. Second time, again he's falling. He's saying, science, yeah, this. Again, second time, out. Scientist, I will do this, do that.
That one. Yeah.
That one, Guwahati.
Yeah,
Died.
very nice.
He didn't listen to his guru also. He said, my main business is my daughter is growing up. I have to get her married. I will marry her. He said, this is my goal, and otherwise I am going to Japan, more research work, this, that. Once we will caution you, your time is limited. You believe in science? See, science can save you. Don't. Science can't do anything, but Krishna can do. He does not give credit to Krishna, unfortunately. Next time we can wait. अच्छा ये लोग को कुछ दो बटन